मोटिवेट मी। और अगर आपको आगे और यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखने हैं और क्या देखना है ऑफ कोर्स वो आप प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए। pretty excited about this YouTube channel. I'm gonna post like I will try to post as much as I can. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंटेंट I'll make and post. लेकिन आप लोगों को क्या देखना है दैट ऑफ कोर्स मैटर्स। तो जो भी आपको देखना है वो मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा, एनी चेंजेस यू वांट या जो भी है, डू कमेंट एंड डू सब्सक्राइब बिकॉज दैट विल बी द ओनली मोटिवेशन फॉर मी। या मैंने बहुत सारा बोल दिया यार एक साथ बट आई एम सो हैप्पी। थैंक यू सो मच एंड या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द लवली विशेस। ओ माई गॉड, I went through all the not all the of course because like I went through so many of VMs and photo edits and the messages. They are just so nice, so good. I just felt so good, so heartwarming, you know. I really love them. Thank you guys, thank you so much for itna sara pyar. I love you and just love you. I don't know what else to say. I'm just so happy and with all the love I receive from you guys, that unconditional love from you, it is just, I can't express how I feel about that. You guys just love me so much and I don't know what else to say. Just love you. You guys really make me emotional at so many moments. Okay, so let me read few of the questions. मैं जब से आई हूँ मैं अपना बोले जा रही हूँ. I did not read anything. So is the connection fine? Is the connection fine, guys? What will be my next project as Aladdin is going off air? Yeah, that's a very sad news that Aladdin is going off air, but I'm actually happy with the fact that I could be part of Aladdin for at least these 6 months. I learned so much और मुझे मेरा एक बहुत ही अच्छा करियर पीरियड मैंने अलादीन के साथ बिताया. वेरी सैड कि वो ऑफ एयर हो रहा है शो, बट ठीक है. इट्स गुड टू एंड द थिंग्स व्हेन स्टोरी एंड्स. तो that's it. It's going to end next month. But ठीक है, something I really wish something nice comes soon. Let me take someone. Anybody? I'm not able to click, yaar. Sorry. I don't know what's happening. I've sent requests to 2 people. Let's see if they join us. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, Mukku. Thank you, Anuja. Okay, is my connection all right, guys? I don't know. My phone number 1 to 9 के बीच में there are few numbers. उनमें से कुछ मेरा फ़ोन नंबर है, जिस मिला जुला के बना लो. I am trying to add people. I'm not able to. I have no clue why. Unable to join. able to join people. Yeah, I'm so sorry guys. I'm really trying to. संजू शेहरा, शिवांगी ऑनलाइन क्यों नहीं रहती? ऑनलाइन ही तो हूँ. थैंक यू यालू. See now I'm waiting for Sanju Shehra 2009 to join the live. I don't know why it's not happening. At Siddharth must be busy. He's not watching my live, I guess. Otherwise I would have joined him. भाग्यश्री, I don't know. Boxer Sonia, I don't know whether ये उन दिनों की बात है season 2 coming or not. I'm sorry, you guys always ask me this, and this time I forgot to clarify this in the initial stage, like the initially in my life. I don't know anything about ये उन दिनों की बात है season 2. Sorry. You too say thank you. Your vlog was superb. Thank you so much. Ashi Singh forever. Alvira Khan. Okay, you go and produce the album and we'll do it for sure. Why? View request. Go live recording. Just not happening. I don't know. I'm actually trying to add people here, but and Bhagyashri Patil not able to join. Hi, fan from Tamil Nadu. Thank you, Sushi. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ पर मैं किसी को ऐड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. I'm sorry. चलो let's just give answers of your questions. Why is Aladdin going off air? I guess we don't have story. I mean अभी जफ़र को मारने के बाद कोई स्टोरी बचेगी नहीं. So it's good to end things when you don't have story rather than stretching them. Yes. Hi Pallavi. Hi मेरी बहन पल्लवी. I'm love from Kerala, Rebecca. I'm so sorry Anika Goyal. I'm trying to take people live with me but I'm not able to. What is relationship between you and Siddharth? We are friends, good friends. Which character do you like more, Naina or Yasmin? Difficult choice guys. Naina और Yasmin. I like both the characters क्योंकि वो दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग हैं. I can't choose one क्योंकि दोनों मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग थे. नैना एंड यास्मीन लाइक ऐसे हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से एकदम ऑपोजिट ऑफ ईच अदर. आई कैन चूज. सॉरी. मेरा फेवरेट कलर ब्लू है. ओके सरीन, थैंक यू. कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को इसलिए मारा क्योंकि राजमाता ने बोला था. शिव, this was for you. You should watch second Bahubali 2. Yeah. There was no shooting today, Pranita. Who's your ये उन दिनों की बात है. यू लव माई व्लॉग. थैंक यू सो मच. व्हेन आई एम अपलोडिंग द नेक्स्ट पार्ट नेक्स्ट वीक. secret of my natural glowing skin? Filhal I have makeup on and I have light just in front of me, so as I always say, nobody is this beautiful. Of course we all have flaws and I also do have flaws. Baki I do take care of my skin, yeah, a lot. I drink a few things, I do apply a few things on my face. I'll share that also in my YouTube video. Frequently asked question. So whatever you wanna see in my video, you have to comment on my YouTube channel, like under my video of course, what you wanna see next. So जो भी ज़्यादा requests होंगे, I can make the video first on them. BTS of Aladdin on your YouTube channel, of course. Treasury, Kinza, of course, I will post that for sure. I can't tell anything about my music video coming soon. I would just say wait and watch. Hi Pragya, Sanjana. मेरा बर्थडे ऑन 12th August. हाय विकास. हाय रविंदी, आप बहुत गुस्सा हो, क्यों हो? आपकी याददाश्त अलादीन में जीनू की याददाश्त के बाद आएगी क्या? हाँ जी. थैंक यू इमोन. हाय कशिश प्रजापा. Hi Riva. My favorite hair color, I like that grey and black, that smoky hair. I like them. Hi Kundan. Hi Nisha. Hi Anuja. Hi Asif from Kerala. Hi Naina. Hello Shiv. Hi Bhumi. Thank you Visible Starshine. Hi Siraj. Hi Sid. Fan love. I'm good. I hope you good too. Hi Veenam. Thank you Mirnaz. Hi Ronnie Ranjan. Hi Tushar. Hi Khushi. Hi Akshat. Hi Cherry. Name is Guru. कौन से questions? Hi Priyanshi from Punjab. Hi Runjun. Hi Mr. Hero. Hi Nazmeen. Hi Queen. Okay, going to the question section again. I should turn on the music, I guess. Oops. My favorite color is blue. Phew. Something about Sid. Sid is so supportive. He's very nice. Such a gentleman. And very kind, down to earth. He's just like the nice is the perfect word for him. He's actually very, very nice. He's a very good, and he's a very good co-actor without any doubt. He supported me so much in Aladdin and motivated me. What are you gonna do after Aladdin? Work, 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 work. पायल, नहीं, आपके क्वेश्चंस मैंने नहीं पढ़े. आई डोंट नो अंशुमन कि मैं हरियाणा कब आऊँगी. What's your next vlog? The second part of Goa trip and maybe BTS of my music video. or BTS of Aladdin set. Like these are few things in my mind right now. Baki, of course, you guys please tell me what you want me to post. Hi Sharina. Okay, no such questions, like I can't see any. Congratulations, thank you, Sav. Hi Dhruv, hi Snowy. Relativity means got 90% alert. My nickname is Ashi. Abhi. My favorite place, I like Mumbai. I have not been to so many places, so I can just like Mumbai. Hi Ramji. Kishmeet, love you too. Hi Sunil Bhatt. Manobli सीजन 2 कब आएगा मुझे नहीं पता. Hi Pudding Sweetie. Hi Shubham. Please start YouTube channel D. Dhara Upadhyaya. This whole video is about that. The whole live to say thanks to my 1 million followers and the big announcement of my YouTube channel. Hi Vanya, hi Vanya, hi Vanya, hi Vanya. Abhinav Sharma, thank you. There are few abusive people here. The most adoring person is Siddharth. मेरा तो सबसे ज़्यादा काम भी सिद्धार्थ के साथ ही होता है. Addict fangirl. Arey Baba, I'm already doing a project. What next project? Let me finish this one first. Hi my love from Tamil Nadu, Divya. Hello, hi Rahul, hi Masha. Hi Stuti. Hi Saurabh. Hi Kalpana, hi Riddhi. Hi Dish. Hi best of Ashi. Hi Vedika. This is your bedroom? Yes, this is my bedroom. Hi Ashish. You guys have no questions or what? Weird. Okay guys, so yeah, that's it. I should be going. Okay, so I have something to do right now. I'll go and finish my work. It's 5 and see you soon. Very soon. But उसके पहले या मैं थैंक यू बोल के थक जाती हूँ. I don't know what else to say. Just thank you, and already you are showing quite love to my YouTube channel. I already have, I guess, more than 2,000 subscribers. Make it 10k today. I'm actually hoping for 10k today. I'm gonna get that silver plate as soon as I can. I don't know, I'm just quite excited about it. तो मैं जल्दी कोशिश करूँगी